Okay guys, now that we're back from our off-road trip in Moab, we get a chance to talk a little bit about how this cargo net solution that we had worked out. We're really happy with it. We made a couple tweaks. Let me walk you through all the details. All right, so if you didn't see our other video where we talked about the installation of this, I'll make sure and link to it, but we basically installed D-rings at the back of these seats down here, 4 of them, and then 4 underneath the seat rails for the front seats so that we can attach these 2 cargo nets. And we actually started with 2 cargo nets, one up in front here to hold our quick access tools for when we need to get out real quick and open the door and get access to it. And then we put one over here by the cooler, but we moved it, of course. So what we decided to do, or ended up doing partway through, is I transferred the second cargo net here to the middle, using the 2 D-rings at the corner of each of these seats, and then the D-rings at the back, and I put these tubs in place, and I love this setup, because all I have to do is reach my hand through this net into these cubbies, and I can grab whatever I need out of them, so that the co-pilot or the person riding in the passenger seat can still get access to stuff while we're on the trail and moving. So that is perfect solution, okay? And then what I really love about this as well, I'll have to show you, is with what you can do to put other gear on top. So we set it up so that you can put backpack or any other quick access gear you need right on top and just clip it with just a carabiner right to that. And that way it doesn't go anywhere. It's okay if it moves some. This isn't necessarily sensitive equipment. This is perfect. Quick access to everything in the tubs. Plus you get the D-ring to hold a couple extra bags, which you're gonna need. And this worked out just perfect for us. Now let's talk about the final part, this cooler. I ended up ditching one of these cargo nets to hold the cooler and instead use a ratchet strap. 2 reasons. One, we wanted more coverage, so we put this cargo net here in the middle, but also the cooler's really heavy and I didn't want to go it anywhere. So the fact that I can hook it up to either the D-ring or this bracket we have here all the way up to the D-ring in the front really allowed us to strap this thing down so it didn't go anywhere. We started with one of those pull strap, kind of lower end straps, and it came loose after a while. But this solution here with this ratchet strap worked perfect to hold the cooler in. And this is an absolute perfect setup. We had quick access to the things we need. It didn't go anywhere. You know, we went 60 to 80 miles off-road, high speeds, washboard roads, jumps, you name it, and it all held up great. So I'm a big fan of this solution. Got to give another shout out to Keep It Dirty Off-Road for the D-ring setup. And then we were able to configure with our gear and these cargo nets just the right amount of equipment in the right way. And I hope this helps you out for your next off-road trip for the back of your cab, whether that be a pickup truck or SUV, anything you need inside. This is a great solution with D-rings and cargo nets. Hey guys, we're gonna keep this video content rolling, but why wait for the next video? Check out the link here for another video that you can watch to get inspiration on your next upgrade.